Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn Content Calendar with Later step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Open a new tab and visit the Later website. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the Calendar section in Later. Select the Add New Social Profile option. Choose LinkedIn from the list of available platforms. Authorize Later to connect to your LinkedIn account. Follow the prompts to log in to your LinkedIn account if required. Confirm the permissions needed for Later to post on your behalf. After authorization, your LinkedIn profile will be added to Later. Now, you'll see your LinkedIn profile listed in the Social Sets section. To create your content calendar, go to the Content tab in Later. Click on the plus button to open the content upload options. You can either drag and drop images or click to upload files from your computer. Once uploaded, add captions and relevant links for each post. Schedule your posts by dragging them to the desired date and time in the calendar. Make sure to select the correct LinkedIn profile for each scheduled post. Review the calendar to ensure all posts are correctly lined up. Use the preview feature to see how your posts will appear on LinkedIn. Adjust any details as necessary before finalizing your schedule. After reviewing, save your calendar. Your LinkedIn content calendar is now set up and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.